Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got a box from the United States. This comes from a fella named Dave G. He is a detention center supervisor in Laredo, Texas. And what kind of detention? We're talking a border detention center. He works in the corrections field, and he was one of the great people who answered my call for ramen, which you can only get in prisons or correction facilities. So here it is. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Alright, so first off, it's really hard to get ramen that is sold in commissaries in prisons. Why? I don't know. But here's the deal. They're in clear packs, and there's one company that does the distribution, and they're called Keef. And I've called them numerous times asking, can I have some samples? Or they're like, no, that's only for people in prison. And I'm like, but I don't want to go to prison. They're like, tough, that's the only way you're going to get it. Well, Dave was kind enough, as he works in a corrections facility, to send me some. So here is what we get from Dave. Alright, so what you're going to say is, so what's the difference? Technically, from what I hear, there's no difference in the flavor or anything. Like the noodle's exactly the same, the seasoning's exactly the same as Maruchan's chili flavor. The difference here, it's clear. This is to make it hard to like smuggle anything in with the noodles. Like pretty much impossible because you can see it, you know, unless you put something like, I guess, right under there. But yeah, I mean, these are things that I've been trying to find for years, and Dave was kind enough to send a few of them. So here's the chili flavor, chicken flavor. Now with this one, I don't know that there's a counterpart on the commercial market that you can just go to the store and get to this one. Hot and spicy vegetable flavor. I've never seen this. And I mean, there's chili flavor, but it mentions no animal fat. So this is like the vegetarian option. And he sent over 2 of these. A fella named Nick Bizarro sent me some of this before, and so I'm familiar with it. You can never get enough of this stuff, so I'm pretty stoked. Thanks a lot, man. I'm going to see if I can make some kind of cool prison recipe out of this. And then he also sent some Mexican treats from a local grocery store. So these are like little marshmallow pop things, and they have little candies for eyes. They look like clowns. And these are like little marzipan snack things. I've never seen these before. Huh, these look interesting. Maybe they're like a tamarind snack. I think that's what's going on here. Chili pepper powder coated lollipop strawberry. Wow. Tamarind flavored hard candies with chili pepper filling. Wow, goat milk caramel lollipops. And finally, a Mrs. Annie's peanut patty. Honestly, it looks like, what do you call it? Peanut brittle. Wow, dude. Well, thank you so much. I've been trying to find, like I said, all these kind of different flavors. I know there are more flavors, but man, this is just like way more than I've been able to get in years. I mean, the last 2 months have been like really great as far as getting a hold of prison ramen. So I'm super jazzed about that. Thank you so much. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.